What's going on, miners? Chump Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy, having a great day. Apparently I left my trailer open yesterday, but this is my crypto mining solar trailer. For those of you that don't know, these are the batteries I have hooked up to the solar setup, and right now the sun is charging them and they're at 26.8 volts. Let's see where we're at just for today. 71 volts there from the panels. We got 17 amps and 603 watts. Now, the reason I'm showing you guys that is because mainly I love the setup I have right now for my solar system, but the panels are in a shitty location, for lack of a better word. I used to have them over here on my poles that are just into the ground with cement. I actually have videos of putting these up, but I recently moved them over to a trailer that's actually over there, and I honestly cannot stand the fact that the wire runs all the way along this fence, all the way through my mulch bed. You guys can't really see it, but I need to redo all this. Don't judge me. But that's going behind the stairs. I fished it behind the stairs over here, and then it literally just runs along the ground over to this trailer where all of these panels sit. Now, I thought this was a great idea to be able to move this trailer around, but I'm not gonna lie, this thing is stupid heavy and not easy to move around. And now I need to actually get it out of the way because I need to get my camper out. So what we're going to do is move all of these panels back over to the setup way over there, and I am actually gonna have to move this thing right here, which is the combiner box. The rewiring is the thing I am least looking forward to, but let's go show you guys the poles that I actually need to transfer back to the underside of these, because if you can see, these clamps right here are actually clamped to the rail of this open trailer, and I'm going to be putting a fence post the long way in each 4 sections. Like these 4 panels go on one pole, so I'll be putting one under there, one under these 4, one under the middle 4, those 4, and those 4, and here they are. All right, I got some work ahead of me. So while I transfer all of these panels onto these poles and over to the solar section of my yard, let's hear a word from today's sponsor.
As a crypto miner, have you ever wanted to own any of these non-mineable cryptocurrencies without going through the hassle of KYC, exchange fees, and/or taxable events? Then look no further. unMineable.com provides over 75 different cryptocurrencies that are able to be acquired mining with your ASICS, mini box miners, GPUs, or even the CPU in your everyday PC. With speculative mining playing such a massive role in the crypto mining space, unMineable.com is the clear choice for most new miners and seasoned vets alike. Please go check out unMineable.com to make your crypto mining experience easier than ever.
That's all she wrote. I ain't gonna lie, that was a huge pain in the ass. But, as you can see, or maybe you can't, they're way over there. So I got them all hooked up over here again, and they are actually at a good angle where they're hitting the sun pretty good. Now I typically, or what I used to do, is go off the shadow, make the shadow as big as it can, and that's the perfect angle for the most sunlight available. So I just got to do a little bit of zip tying some of this stuff and actually get this one long cable that goes back to the trailer actually zip tied to that pole, so it's nice and neat. But overall, everything else is wired up, turned on, and good to go. It's a big old cloud right there, but let's see what we're getting for wattage anyways. Panel voltage, we're looking at 81 volts. We have 18 amps and 638 watts, pretty much what we had when or before we were moving them. So that's pretty good. I mean, overall, this is going to work perfectly fine, I believe, with those panels over there in that section. And then also this right here, this extra wire I have. Now I can actually run this thing. It's actually way over there. I got to wrap it up, but I can run this from the trailer out to a new section of panels. So I need to get another combiner box, and I want to get another inverter, like grow watt inverter, or a bigger one that can actually accept more panels, because right now that grow watt inverter is actually maxed out with the amount of panels I can use. I think it's only able to take in about 1800 watts, and right now I have 2000 watts of panels here. But overall, these panels usually never get up to their max capacity of 100 watts a piece. So 20 panels, 100 watts a piece, 2000 watts. I'm pretty sure the maximum is like 18 on that grow watt, so I've never seen more than 16, to be honest. But I would like to put more right here at some point and either get another inverter, either the same one or just get a bigger one that can take double the amount of panels, and then we'll be good. So what do you guys think? I think it looks a lot more clean over here versus over on my trailer, and now I can actually go get my trailer and put it back there so it's out of the way, and then I actually don't just have a wasteful trailer chilling over there. But yeah, that's pretty much all I had to do today, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I know it's just kind of a whatever video, busting my ass, you guys just sitting home watching this. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Have a good day. Peace out.